Breakfast, good morning, second day. Uy, ang pogi mo dyan, ganyan.
Hello, is that video?
Yeah, as a matter of fact.
Hindi po ako, fluid, siya fluid, tsaka Islam. Alright? Filipino. Later po, mag-musal ka. Don't be, nagtitimpa ng kape. Malis na sila ate. Breakfast po kami dito. Nakaupo na sila doon. So, ang ganda po dito, mga kuratsa. Ayan sila. Mag-alok kayo kumain. This is our second day. Buffet. There you go. Alrighty. Let me see what they have for us. Dumpy. Kakain muna ako mga kuratsa, ha? Later. They have sausage. They have bacon. They have pancake. And they have two hands, the left and the right. Look. Okay, let's eat. Ay na po ako, baka maiwan ako. Dito po. Ganda dito. So, ang kinuha ko po ay egg, pancake, bacon, hash brown, and ketchup with coffee. Let's eat. Ganun din kay Donty. Pareho lang naman. Manawagan ka, Priscilla Almeida. Doon po sa mga naglilik na tubo nila, Priscilla Almeida, sa kanyang paupahan. Kain muna po kami.
Number 5 kukunin natin.
Pa rin kami sa premium hotel na ka-check-in breakfast. Malapit dito yung sasakyan namin next time after 3 nights. So, dito sa premium hotel sa Canada, Vancouver. Ito yung kanilang restaurant. Darara! Horror.
Schedule yun. Tama yun. Ano po?
Kami lang nga nandito.
10 minutes before daw kailangan. Number 5. Meron 9:15.
Lo, may mga vampira pa yata dito.
Kaya natin.
This is what it is. So mga kuratsa, kami ay magta-travel kami ulit, mag-explore kami ng dito sa Canada, mga masyal-masyal, at kung ano-ano. Nakita niyo po yun? Aso. Te! Amoy bagoong napatis. Nanunok ko. Nagsasalita ako eh. Ay! Baho. Maya po ulit. Ay! Boyet! Anong sasakyan natin? Explain mo nga sa mga kuratsa. We're gonna go.
It's a hop on, hop off trolley that takes you to most of the touristy places around Vancouver. So what we're gonna do first is just go ride it for about an hour and 30 minutes, and we'll just look at all the stations, the stops. There's 19 stops, and based on what they say, there's a narration describing each place, and based on that we're gonna ride it again today and tomorrow and see where we're gonna stop for how long.
For now we're just gonna stay in the bus, right?
Yes.
Train or whatever?
Yes, it's a trolley.
It's a trolley. Okay.
It's an open air trolley.
So, narinig niyo mga kuratsa. Ulitin mo nga. Sasakay kami sa bus daw.
Hindi bus, trolley nga.
Trolley. We're gonna ride in a trolley. And then
or it takes about 1 hour and 45 minutes, 18 different stations, and there's a narration. And then you can stop them. But we're not going to do that because you won't have time.
Pwede daw kami huminto pero hindi kami bababa. Nakasakay lang kami at mag-sightseeing.
Para mapili kung saan tayo babalik.
Alright.
Mag-spend ng time.
Ay, hiningal ako. Okay, later. Naluloko nga. Meron po natutulog doon. Ayun, no? Ba't ganun matulog? Nakaupo. So, naglalakad pa rin po kami. At nag-explore na dito sa Vancouver. Ang saya po, mga kuratsa.
That's nice.
Ito po, tropa-tropa sila dito. Baho. Dami po talagang ano dito, oh. Nasasalita lang ako para kunyari, nag-ano-ano ako, pero, yun ah. Ayan po, oh, natutulog dito. Ngayon, marinig. Niya ulit. Doon sana kami sasakay eh. Ayaw kami isakay. Bakit? Is it full?
Dalawa na lang.
Ba't parang ano, hindi ko nakita to kanina. Anong ginagawa niya? O tapos oo. Tapos
Parang ano siya?
ito pa isa.
Pasyente, naka-uniforme.
Ano?
Naka-uniforme na.
Ano, pasyente ng mental hospital? I don't know.
Ano siya eh? Hospital.
Oo. Sabi ka na, nagkakaroon na nga ng konting puwet kasi dati, naka-vlog pala ako. We're talking about puwet. So, babalik kami sa aming hotel. Ha?
Nakita ko na gagawin.
At doon kami mag-aantay ng ng bus kasi hindi kami na-accommodate eh. Puno na daw. 2 na lang kulang. 6 kami. So, hindi kami nakasakay. Pag doon sa hotel, doon kami maghihintay ng ng panibago. Alam niyo mga kuratsa, sa totoo lang nagkukunyari lang ako nagsasalita kasi kinukuhanan ko po sila, baka magalit, habulin ako. I'm scared. Mga kuratsa, nawawala yung ate ko, ayun oh. Naligaw sa Canada. Hinahanap ko, sabi ko, nasa si ate? Ayun po siya oh, sa kabila. Saan kaya siya pupunta? Kulang kami eh. Sabi ko, nasa si ate? Ay nako. Ayun po siya sa kabila. Sa kabila po ang tanga. Ewan ko saan siya pupunta. Sabi ng kapatid ko, video mo. Buti na lang. Tinanong pa sa si ate.
Anak ng lahat. Kala ko
Walang niya. Naligaw po. O ano ngayon? Mabilis ka naglakad. Naligaw po. Sabi niya magtatanong naman daw siya. Sabi naman ng kapatid ko isa, umiiyak ka ba nagtatanong? What you kaya pala? Ako man, maligaw dito, hindi ko alam eh. Nawawala eh. Kahit na.
Download mo.
Baho. Tapos sure?
pero doon parang
ito, naglalakad kami, hindi kami nakasakay, mag-aantay kami doon sa kabila. Alam naman mo.
Sa kabila, dito.
So, labas na naman po kami. Labas-masok. Kasi puno na yung bus kanina eh. Try namin dito sa ibang station. May oras po ang dating ng bus. So, balik muna kami sa aming home base. Yung pong mga nagda-drugs dito, mga nakayuko sila.
Yung sa yung September.
Ayan po.
520 something lang binayad ko din.
So, take 2. Dito naman kami mag-aabang ng aming sasakyan. Nakasakay lang kami habang kami nanonood ng mga sightseeing, you know. Later po, daming tao. Sa inyo po, nasa downtown pero natutulog sa sidewalk. Yun po matindi kasi nakatayo, natutulog. Di po ba? Hintay pa rin kami dito ng sasakyan. Ayun po, natutulog po, nakatayo. Mahirap yun, ha? We're 5 people.
Most people that live around here live in apartments, and if they have dogs, they have little dogs. I call them pocket dogs. I was coming down here a couple days ago, and there was a little one coming up. He had purple sparkle sunglasses on. He was so cute. I thought the guy must have spent time training them, because if I put them on my girl, she'd kick them off and chew them up. This is Yale Town that we're driving through. It's an old train yard. Most of these warehouses around here, instead of tearing them down, they've been repurposed. They've turned them into apartments and stores and restaurants.
Meron kaming tour guide. Yung bus driver, babae, siya rin ang tour guide. Siya lahat. Siya ang conductor.
If you go down to the bottom of Davie, Davie is just the next street over, and if you go down to the bottom, lots of casinos around Vancouver, but the only one that's downtown is just a few blocks up just before you go to the left, just before you go up the bridge. It's called Park, P-A-R-Q, and that's the only casino that's downtown.
Goya, casino. Oh, yeah.
And this is the Yale Town stop. 75. It's built to resemble a coliseum. So go down to the right and I will take you
So,
down.
nandito po tayo sa Chinatown sa Canada, Vancouver.
Bye.
Chinatown daw to.
Enjoy your day. With his wife and a barrel of whiskey. He wanted to build the saloon, so he talked everybody into helping him build it by giving them free drinks of whiskey.
Dami pong
They
homeless
have the
dito.
saloon
Talaga.
built in a day. You wonder how long. Hour. The best time to catch it is on the hour. the quarter hour to the little puff of steam. So the best time to catch it is on the hour. I'll point Gastown out. Gastown's just down to the stop number 1, Canada Place coming up. Always have neat gifts and souvenirs in there. Just off to the right there. The little glass building. Sushi coming up on the right, just after this glass building. You go up the stairs, it's called Mikos. The building with the 5 white sails was built for Expo 86. That's now a convention center, and it's there to greet the big And this is stop number 1, Canada Place. And I just gotta check our time. The building coming up across the light on the right-hand corner is the Marine Building. It was our tallest skyscraper when it was first too expensive. They were charging 25 cents a person. So back in that day, that was a lot of money. I've only been with this company for 2 weeks. Here, I lose track of what number of and it'll just take us a couple minutes to get turned back. Gotta get turned around so I'll be facing the right way.
Nabubuhay dito ng kamay. Ang ganda naman. Ayun, ang ganda. Nak.
Canada Place stop coming up again.
Hours now.
Nagkakagulo po dito ngayon dahil yung pinabababa kami, bayad
I'm
kami.
already like 15 minutes late.
Sabi namin may bayad ticket. Pero
I have none available right now. I have 2, but I want to save those for the next stop. Yes.
gulo.
Alright?
Babado. May bayad kami.
Problem solving.
Well, that's what they gotta do.
Then those people just have to get
I do apologize, you guys. This is not. What's that? Cyrus is coming up.
Kung gusto daw namin bumaba kasi may sasakay na iba-iba yan din kami. Naghintay kami. Ang tagal. Ano ba yan? Huwag kayong sasakay dito sa ano na to. Diyos ko, ilang oras kami pinaghintay. Tapos pabababain kami. Warta.
Green spaces and water features just adds a nice touch to everything, and that's why you might see some trees on top of the buildings if they can't fit the green space.
Go.
Stop.
May shooting dito. Shooting.
Thank you. They filmed Deadpool 2 here a couple years ago. It was really neat seeing vehicles flipped up in the middle of the street and on fire.
May shooting, no?
It's really neat being able to watch them film around here. raised here, so I was born with.
Kain ba? Yung nare-rent siguro.
So the pillars inside is what holds the roof up. The Sky Train off to the left there. That's Burrard Station.
Ang dahil mga bike ko.
And this is the Hyatt Hotel coming up. You pull over if you're gonna let people do. Oldest church in Vancouver.
Oldest
They
church.
did $1 million renovation on it a couple years ago and put in the glass bell steeple on the back corner. You hear the bells, they did an amazing job, and it is open to the public.
Ayan po,
You
church.
can see there's 2 different color stones. When they were building it, they ran out of money, and by the time they raised enough money to finish it, there was no more of the gray stone, so they had to get a different color. The building across the light on the left-hand corner is the Hotel Vancouver. You can see a little bit of the green copper roof. It's run by the Fairmont Hotels. There are higher-end shopping streets. You want the best steak, it's about half a block down. It's called Black and Blue. The only thing, the building on the left-hand corner at the next light was